Now when he saw the crowds, Matthew chapter 5 verse 1 to 2. Now when he saw the crowds, he went up on the mountainside and sat down. His disciples came to him, and he began to teach them, saying, Blessed are those who are poor in spirit, for theirs in the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are those who are blessed are those blessed are those who mourn, for they will be comforted. Blessed are the meek, for they will inherit the earth. Blessed are those who are hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they will be filled. Blessed are the merciful, for they will be shown mercy. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they will see God. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they will be called sons of God. Blessed are those who are blessed are those who are persecuted. Blessed are those who are persecuted because of righteousness, for theirs in the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are blessed are you Blessed are you when people insult you, persecute you, and falsely say all kinds of evil against you. Uh, rejoice and be glad, because great is your reward in heaven. For in the same way, they persecuted the prophets who were before you. Matthew chapter 5 verse 1 to 12.